Hi, ididi ko September. Pwede ko bang bayaran yung last quarter, yung last year na 3 months? Then this first quarter yung remaining to complete the 6 months. Pasok naman siya sa quarter period ko. Hi Bev, for today's video, sasagutin natin yung question ni Ma'am Ann. Beb, kung ang EDD mo ay September 2024 at para malaman kung ikaw ay qualified sa maternity benefits, exclude natin ang semester of contingency mo na mula April 2024 to September 2024. Now, ang magiging qualifying months mo ay mula April 2023 to March 2024. Diyan po magseselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits at syempre dapat may hulog ka sa nasabing qualifying period para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Pwede ka pong magbayad quarterly, October 2023 to December 2023. At kung kaya mong bayaran ang 8,400 for 3 months, mas okay po. Then, hulugan mo pa rin ang January to March 2024. Sana'y nasagot ko ang inyong katanungan. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more.